Hi, it's Amanda. Welcome to Southern Mom Life. In today's video are going to be these really awesome candles. So each one has its own design and own name. Basically, their fragrances match their design. So you have the Mien Mood, Mien Spirit, and Mien Awakening. This one is Mien Spirit. It's a very earthy smell, a very rustic, woodsy smell. This is the Mien Mood. It's got a very floral, fragrant smell. It smells amazing, you guys. And look, it's like an amber color. I know it looks kind of cream before it's lit, but you'll see when it's lit, it's more like an amber color. Each one is placed in its own designated glass, and they are awesome. And then we have the Mien Awakening, and it smells so good. It's a combination of like a home smell. So, and then this is the trial size. And you can see it's got a pretty good amount. These candles burn for a very, very, very long time, you guys. Very long time. So each one, the Mien Mood, Mien Awakening, Mien Spirit. Mien Mood is the wine glass, Mien Spirit is the drinking glass, and Mien Awakening is the coffee glass. So yes, and each one will have prices in the description down low. I'll have more with the website link so that you guys can go and click on it and see for yourself. You guys, these smell amazing. Amazing. Do you hear me? Amazing. I just can't even. They're so good, you guys. So anyway, here's what they look like when they're lit. This amber glow that I was telling you about. And it's all natural, you guys. All natural. It's beeswax. So it's like all natural. But they're very beautiful. They add wonderful accents to your home as well as fragrance. Now also, within the same corporation, they make the facial scrub, the Mien Body. Mien Body, it's almost like little bitty diamond crystals. It is amazing. It's a great exfoliator. It's a one-step process. This is not something that you need a bunch of, but it makes your skin so soft. It makes it glow. It gives it every bit of shine and cleans it all at the same time because it's also a purifier. So if you guys want to know more about these candles, click on the link down below in the description box. And yes, I think you guys would enjoy it. Also, some of these may be featured in my giveaway. So stay tuned for that. And let me know what you think. Because, you know, the only way you're going to find out is to try it for yourself. And I absolutely love it. I love it. You can tell it's just got a really good feel to it. It's soft and smooth, and it gets the job done twofold. You know, and it makes you feel very refreshed and youthful, and the smell of the fragrance smell, which is all natural, you guys. There is not one chemical product in these. It's so light, and I mean, it makes you feel like you're at a day spa. I mean, it makes you feel like you're at a day spa is the best way I can put it. It's got the best, the absolute best products in it and ingredients in it, that this product is an awesome product. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.